It's no secret, I love my biryanis. You guys know that. I decided to just have a meatless version and make my biryani this time with mushrooms, and it turned out pretty well. To get started, you want to just crush 5 cloves of garlic and an inch of ginger, and I'm also dry frying some spices. The list is in the description box below, and then you want to add that to your ginger and keep crushing it. In a big pan, I'm adding some ghee, followed by 2 sliced onions. You can see there, you want to finely slice them so they don't take too long to cook, and you want to cook them until they caramelize. That's when all the sweet sugars come out. Then you want to add that ginger paste with the spices that we had, grounded up earlier, as well as some chopped coriander. I do have a little spring onion in there as well, but that's optional. I then added 2 tablespoons of nice thick tomato paste, and you want to just cook this for about 3 minutes. Just to get everything, nice and caramelized as well. And then I added 500 grams of mushrooms to that, and you want everything to coat well, and then add either 3 chopped tomatoes, or I used 1 can of chopped tomatoes because I was feeling lazy. Nothing new on this channel. I then added about a teaspoon of salt, and you want to again give this a really good mix. Make sure everything is well incorporated, and then I added 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt. If you want my yogurt recipe, I will link it here for you. This is the Greek yogurt version. So then just mix it all up. Oh, that yogurt is so thick. I love it. I then added a little water to just break down the yogurt. It was a bit too thick for this recipe. So if you're going to use, curd that's a bit lighter, then you might not need the water. And you just want to mix everything, and this is when the magic happens. As it slowly cooks, everything's going to change. So let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. I then set it aside and just roasted a pepper until it was completely blackened on the outside, and then I put it in a glass dish and covered it for 5 minutes. This helps peeling the outer skin so much easier. I then chopped it up and just added my burned peppers, my barbecued peppers to it. Add some extra coriander to garnish, and that's it. All you have to do now is serve with some biryani rice. This meal was so simple to put together, but really surprised my taste buds. I'll catch you guys in the next video.